సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్ లైక్ అండ్ షేర్ చేసి కామెంట్ చేయండి.
Now we are going to discuss ROM. ROM means read-only memory. Read-only memory. The memory in which only read operation is possible is known as ROM, read-only memory. The system programs that are used for the operation of a computer are stored in ROM. The system programs that are used for in the operation of the system programs that are used for operation of programs are stored in a ROM. Once programs are stored in a ROM, the programs cannot be erased. That is the specialization of ROM. Once programs are stored in a ROM, the programs cannot be erased. ROM is a non-volatile memory. ROM is a non-volatile memory. That means the information stored in ROM is permanent whether power is on or off. That means power is on or off. If there is no power, the information stored in a ROM. If there is also power, the information stored in a ROM. So that is called non-volatile memory. ROM is the non-volatile memory. That means information stored in a ROM is permanent whether the power is on or off. If there is no power, the information also stored in ROM. If there is also power, the information stored in ROM. It is called non-volatile memory. So this is the ROM. The ROM is classified into the ROM means read-only memory. The ROM is classified into PROM and also EPROM and also EEPROM, EEAPROM, from, EEPROM, E2PROM, E2APROM. So the ROM is classified into PROM, EEPROM, E2PROM, E2APROM. That means PROM, EPROM, E2PROM, E2APROM. That means PROM means programmable read-only memory. So the programmable read-only memory means initially information is stored in ROM by the manufacturers. That is the programmable read-only memory. The information is stored in ROM by the manufacturers, but users cannot change this information. Once by special programming techniques. Once the information is changed by the user, further changes are not possible. In the ROM, the changes are not possible because The information is stored in a from by the manufacturers. So the from has programming techniques. Once the information is changed by the user, further changes are not possible because initially information is stored in from by the manufacturers. That is the programmable read-only memory. Next one is the EEPROM, that is the erasable programmable read-only memory. This is the EEPROM. In this memory, information is stored initially. If user wants to change the information by the EEPROM, can be focused under the ultraviolet rays, so that the entire information in the EEPROM can be erased. So this is the erasable programmable read-only memory. In this memory, information is stored initially. If user wants to change the information by the EEPROM, can be focused under the ultraviolet rays, so that the entire information in the EEPROM can be erased. This IC has glass window on top of it. This IC has glass window on top of it. User can remove the IC from board under place the UV rays many number of times required. So EEPROM is the erasable programmable read-only memory. Third classification is the E2PROM, that is the electrically erasable programmable ROM, that is the read-only memory. In E2PROM, the entire information is erased. When it is focused and ultraviolet rays. It is not possible to erase a portion of memory in EEPROM. So this is the electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. This is also erasable. So entire information is erased, but it is not possible to erase the memory in EEPROM. So E2 means EEPROM is memory in the which the portion of memory can be erased by passing high currents through those locations. In our location, high currents in the high currents of system in the memory of EEPROM is erased. In this memory, line by line erasing is possible. It is also known as E2PROM or EEPROM. So in this memory, line by line erasing is possible by using electrically. So this is also known as electrically erasable programmable ROM. Our last classification is the E square A from, that is the electrically erasable, alterable, programmable ROM, that is read only memory. In this memory, a memory location can be erased or it can be modified within the new data. So in this memory, the memory location can be used or can be erased, or it can be modified with the new data. So in this memory, the memory location can be erased by the new data. Some characteristics of ROM, that is the read-only memory. ROM is the combination of decoder plus programmable OR gates. ROM is the combination of decoder plus programmable OR gates. Decoder means fixed AND gates. Fixed AND gates. So the ROM read-only memory is the combination of fixed AND gates plus programmable OR gates. This is the ROM. Size of the ROM means size is the 2 to the power of x into y. Size of the ROM is the 2 to the power of x into y. Here x is the number of inputs, y is the number of outputs. For example, if inputs are 3 inputs, outputs 3 inputs, 2 outputs, the size of the ROM is 2 to the power of 3 inputs, y is the outputs 2 cube is the 8 into 2, that is the 16 bits. Here size of ROM is the 16 bits.